Okay, sorry about that. Excuse me. Custodian was trying to get his vacuuming done, and so I just went ahead and paused it so I didn't have to rush. So here we know that it's a hexagon because it has 6 sides. But if we noticed here, this side is equal to this side, which is equal to this side, which is equal to this side. However, this side is congruent to this side. So not all sides are congruent. Let's look at number 11. Which are the next 2 polygons in the pattern? Well, I'm going to put T for triangle. This is a rhombus. All right, but I also know it is to be a quadrilateral. This is a pentagon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to put a P for pentagon. Then I have a triangle. I have a rhombus. I have a pentagon. So I need a triangle, need to have a rhombus, and a pentagon. Well, if I look at my answer choices, one, I know that can't be a triangle or a square, so I'm not going to even pay any attention to that. But my rhombus is also quadrilateral because it has 4 sides. But is the next one a triangle? Nope, not at all. So here's a quadrilateral, which is also the same as a rhombus. And so my quadrilateral, and then a pentagon. So this is my correct answer. The next one would not be a pentagon, and then followed by a triangle, because I need to have a rhombus, which is also the same as a quadrilateral, and then the pentagon. So we can see that C is the correct answer. Multi-step, how can you classify the sides and angles of a square? Well, we know that on a square, all sides are equal. All sides are congruent, so I have 4 sides. Well, this has 2 pairs of congruent sides. No, that's going to be a rectangle that has 2 sets that are congruent. So here that's not going to work. 4 congruent sides, yes. 4 congruent angles, yes. 0 congruent angles, that's not true, because on a square it is 90-degree angles. They're all equal. So that's not correct. 2 pairs of congruent sides, nope, they're all equal. Try to make that as equal as possible. And then 1 pair, so nope, that's not a true statement. So my best answer is B. And that's it for tonight's homework. All right, be ready to rock and roll it. We are in star mode, so I want you to make sure that you're practicing your division, practicing your multiplication, practice those fractions. Write down what is 1/2. If I had a half a loaf of bread and I was going to split that half a loaf with 4 people, what fractional part will they get? Okay. Also, on the other hand, if you had 3 brownies and you were going to split each brownie into thirds, well, how many total pieces would you have? Start practicing on adding and subtracting fractions, comparing decimals. Get your morning work done. That is not optional. You need to have morning work done. It is spiraling everything we've done since the beginning of the year. If you don't do it, you're going to cheat yourself. You're going to be stressed, and you're going to feel very so stressed that you're not going to want to try. So don't do that to yourself. Get the work done as it's coming to you in chunks, piece by piece, so you stay on task. All right, remember to finish up your science. We do have a science quiz tomorrow. And then we will finish up, move into quadrilaterals. Go back over to review polygons and then move into quadrilaterals. We will see you tomorrow. Have a great night. Talk to you later and stay dry. It's drizzling outside. All right. Bye.